Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back in our sure lecture series. As I discussed in my previous lecture, that I will solve one essay and try to implement all the discussed tools on this essay. I tried to solve one essay with the help of those tools. Is the world moving towards the third world war? It is very important that I also stressed in previous lectures that you should focus on the major title. You should attempt the essay which you have enough knowledge, which you can grab the reader's attention, and you can manage it effectively. So I have selected this topic. It came in previous papers. Is the world moving towards third world war? This is the topic in the form of a question. Okay? We have either to agree or disagree. If we will agree, then we have to prove our statement with the help of arguments based on rationality. If we will disagree, same steps will apply, and we will prove our stance with the help of rational arguments. Okay. You can agree as well as disagree. No, I am using because opinion can be differed. Okay, opinion can be differed, but proving the opinion with the help of arguments is very essential. I am using equilibrium approach in this essay. How? This is the introduction. We will discuss some general points about introduction, like the recent conditions, restructuring of the world order shows something diverse, like USA and China war, biological war, and also the rise of terrorism has been increasing on its rapid slot. And like these general sentences, we will start our essay. Okay, when we will start a little bit introduction with some general sentences, we will move and give the final touch to the introduction part, and we will provide a thesis statement as described in our previous essay writing techniques lectures. Thesis statement, no, I am taking my stance in the form of like trends and developments seem towards third world war. This is a thesis statement. The recent trends and developments. Trends means the rise of terrorism, the rise of unipolarity from multipolarity. Okay, the rise of economic crux, the war between the veto powers for sake of power. Okay, trends and developments seem towards third world war. These trends and developments show that the world is moving toward the third world war. This is my stance. Now I have to prove this stance with the help of logical arguments backed by small paragraphs. This was the introduction and thesis statement. Possible factors. Possible factor means the factors which are strengthening, which are going to be strengthened this scenario of third world war. Or you can say these are the possible factors which are going towards the third world war, because you have to support your thesis statement. It may seem that that world is going also towards the third world war, because we have to provide some logical arguments for backing our thesis statement. No, look, how can we started the thesis statement? No, we are backing in the incoming body parts towards our thesis statement. Okay, these tools, the tools that we discuss in our essay, no, are going to apply there. These were the theoretical. No, this is the practical. First factor is the weak rate of the UNO. First factor that the world is going towards the third war is the back factor is weak rate of the UNO. UNO is very weak in implementing its policies. It seems that the weak structure of UNO is on the top. And UNO has badly failed in implement its policies, and the concept of nepotism in UNO is there. Okay, the second factor is increased violation of international law. Because the world is going towards third world war, we can see the violation of international law. So that is the reason the world is going towards the third world war. In weak international law, you can understand and explain in many ways. We can see the violation of international law in many multi-dimensional ways. As we can see how countries are diverging away from the international law, the weak system of the world, and implementing internationally many laws are so weak. Blind nuclear race. Why the world is going to a third world war? Because nuclearization of the world is on the top. World is moving towards the nuclearization. They are working leaps and bounds for strengthening their nuclear system. Rise of neocolonialism. Okay, this argument in the form of paragraph can prove the world is moving towards the third world war. How? Neocolonialism, like we can see Russia, we can see China, we can see the role of Israel in the internal and domestic affairs of the world. Okay, they are interfering in the internal affairs of the world by many ways. We can see this current scenario like India-China conflict. Okay, Israel's diplomatic ways are also visible as they are moving towards their personal agendas to achieve their goals. They are interfering in the domestic issues of the country for their personal moves, for their personal agendas. So, rise of neo-colonialism is rising. Destructive role of global media. World is moving towards third world war. Why? It is backed by destructive role of global media. Global media is not taking precautionary measures. The media is it seems that media is not autonomous. They are using for the personal agendas, or they are creating biasness for their monetary gains. Something more factors you can discuss the worst role of media as well. Military alliances for power. World is moving towards third world war because military alliances are gaining their power, like NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, is day by day changing its role. It has badly failed in maintaining the peace of the world, as it is a sub-part of the UNO, but NATO role is very destructive because it has badly failed in implementing its policies and maintaining the global peace of the world. Okay? No, see, as how we are connecting the major title with backed by the our arguments in the form of paragraphs. Next, rise of regionalism. There are many regional blocs. It seems that there have been established very many regional blocs as well, which are using their priority for their personal goals, which are using their agenda to secure power. Okay. Next one is the global terrorism. Global terrorism has been increased badly, and it has impacted towards the third world war. War-mongering leaders, as we can see, many leaders like Trump diplomacy, Trump's rules of governance, as it seems like it is going towards the extremist point of, and it could worse and destroy the structure of the world. So world is going towards the third world war. Okay. Unjust global economic order, as we can see, global economic crunch and crisis. There are many countries which are economically fit, but they are unjust in global economic order in maintaining the world order. They are financing the developing countries for their personal gains, as we can see many examples. So, from this argument, we can say the world is going towards the third world war. Okay. Next is the imperialism of USA. The USA strategy of being unipolar, pushing all the countries by its diplomatic tactics, We can see USA agenda and its writ to being the supreme power of the world is very prominent. So it can do anything like it has done in past, and also it seems the scenario as we can see currently. So global imperialism of USO also enhancing. It can see this can prove that the world is going. It is possible the world can go toward the third world war. Next is the 5G war. As we can see, it has been launched by China and its Huawei company. Okay, we can see many disputes over the period of time. 5G war is on the globe. So this tussle can be outcome in the form of third world war. Okay, next is the biological world war. As we have currently seen the scenario of the world going towards the third world war, like biological war, as we see, because COVID-19, it is also the form of biological war. Some theories and school of thought are that this is the man-made, okay, made by, this virus is man-made, and it has been made by some countries. These are the speculations. It could be possible, maybe it is natural. But biological war could be the factor that goes towards the third world war. Now these are factors, you can see the coherence. Okay, you can see the connectivity of the paragraph. You can explain each factor in the form of paragraphs, and these factors will be possibly connected. These will be the creating the coherence among the whole paragraph. No, we can see the whole tools of the essay are going to implement here. Okay, this is one approach. We can use some other approach, optimistic approach. Yes, world can go to the third world war, it is possible. But there are some exceptions. There are some exceptions, because there are always some exceptions. How? Nuclear power deterrence. Because no, we can see behind the window view as well. It is also possible world may not go third world war. Why? Nuclear power deterrence. Because every country, many countries are properly nuclearly equipped, so it is not possible. It may be not possible the world go to a third world war. Economic alliances has been made, not NAFTA, World Trade Organization are financing as well. They are establishing regional blocks as well, economic blocks as well. It is possibility that world may not go toward third world war. Spread of democracy, as the democracy is spreading from the whole world, as it is becoming a global scenario, so it is possible the third world war may not take place. Public opinion is also very important. Public opinion is against the world war, so it is also begging the third world war may not take place. Pro-peace NGOs also working in the whole globe, so it is also an exception that the third world war may not take place. This was the optimistic approach. You can say these were the points which can make this scenario diverse, or make this scenario weak. The world may not go to a third world war, because these 3 to 4 points back the diverse scenario. Okay. No, come towards the elimination. These were the causes. From these causes, the world may go third world war. These were the optimistic approach, some exceptions. Now going towards the third point in an organized manner. Steps to eliminate. It is also possible that we can avoid the world war, third world war, because war is not a good option. War can never be a good option, as we can see historical facts and World War I, World War II, because there were millions of humanity loss. We can see economic downfall. So war is not an option. It can never be an option. Diplomacy is the best option. So we have to eliminate. How can we eliminate the third world war? Reforming in UNO. UNO should be reformed. UNO should play its autonomous role. UNO should biasness free. UNO should reform its structure like Security Council, and it should include its democratic process of electing new members, all these of stuff. And that's the strength the international law. Effectively manage the international law and implement all the international laws, like there are many laws the UNO make, UN should implement these laws with autonomous and bias-free, and effectively manage these laws, implementing the policies of its global scenario. Treaties of denuclearization should be improved with the help of many laws like CTBT, Counter Test Ban Treaty. This is the nuclearization treaty. It should implement effectively. And there are also many other treaties, the NPT, Nuclear Proliferation Treaty as well. It should be implemented properly. Next one is egalitarian world order. The world order should be reshaped on the basis of sovereignty. Every country should be sovereign in its territory. Every country should be equal in its rights. So equality and sovereignty should be maintained. We can pass out these arguments. In this way, the world order can be removed. Third World War can be tarnished. Next is media should be bias free. Media should be autonomous. Media should play its role, its constructive role rather than destructive role, and play the positive image on the whole globe rather than being some type of stuff which is false, based on false news, which is based on destabilizing the world order. So media should play its constructive role. Next is the diplomacy deterrence. Diplomacy deterrence is very essential, as I have already discussed that war is not a good option, and war can never be a good option, not the last option. War should be avoided at any cost. So if we will avoid the war, then diplomatic and deterrence, diplomatic way in order to improving foreign policies, in order to interaction with each other on a common platform, on a global platform, is very essential. So diplomatic ways to deal with these type of worst issues is very essential. Though these are the elimination steps. Okay, we started with the topic. We developed the thesis statement, possible factors that can move toward the Third World War, some exceptional factors that can prohibit the Third World War. We mentioned the steps which are essential and can play a constructive role in order to maintain the global world order and avoid from the Third World War. Okay, now we conclude. No, we are concluding our discussion. No, how can we conclude? We can see many major points. Okay, all these major points should be summarized here. We are going to give the final touch to our whole essay. Like war involves human actions. War is not natural. War involves human actions. So human actions can be controlled with the help of interaction, with the help of dialogue. So it is very essential to sit on a global platform like the UNO platform, institutionalize the community, and mobilize the community, and improve the role of UNO. And on a common platform, we should dialogue with each other and interaction with each other in order to remove the Third World War. Okay. Military alliances like the role of NATO, UNO, impartial implementation of economic policies related to sovereignty of any country. Okay, sovereignty, equality of the country, necessary positive and constructive media role, multipolarity should be improved instead of unipolarity. Okay, if these steps implemented accurately. Now at the end we are concluding with two lines. Okay, if these all steps that we have determined, restructuring the UNO, restructuring the NATO, bias-free role of the UNO, okay, bias-free military alliances, impartial implementation of the international law, and in order to maintaining the sovereignty and equality of the globe, if these all steps implemented in an accurate manner, risk of Third World War will be possibly eliminated. Risk of Third World War possibly eliminated if all these constructive steps can take place in an efficient manner. Otherwise, it is possible that Third World War can take place. You can see how I summarize the whole essay in 2 to 3 lines at the end of conclusion. Now, you can see all the tools implementing in this essay. I try my best that I can illustrate how can I conclude my essay, how can implement all the tools of an essay. Hopefully you can understand a little bit. Inshallah, we will carry on this practice of solving the past papers, and we will try to introduce, with the help of thesis statement, we'll try to possible factors backing up the thesis statement, some exceptional, some cause and effects, and at the end we will conclude. Inshallah, we will try our best. Stay tuned with us. Inshallah, in next lecture we will also start grammar as well as current affairs comprehensively. Thank you very much for listening to me.